In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate SurveyMonkey with Slack. This integration can help streamline your workflow by allowing you to receive survey responses and notifications directly in your Slack channels. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the SurveyMonkey Insights page. You can do this by going to either app.getfeedback.com or app.usabilla.com. Once you're on the site, look for the left sidebar on your screen. Here you'll see various options, but what we're interested in is the Insights feature, so go ahead and select that. Once you've clicked on Insights, your screen should adjust to show you more options. Now in the left sidebar, there's a person icon. This icon typically represents your profile settings. Click on that person icon, then look for the option labeled Integrations. This step is crucial because it's where we set up our connection to Slack. Now that you're on the Integrations page, look for a button in the upper right corner of the screen that says New Connection. Go ahead and click that button. This is where the fun begins. You will need to create a name for your connection to Slack. This could be anything that makes sense to you, like Slack Integration or something similar. After you have decided on a name, click on the Add Connection button to proceed. The next step is to follow the prompts that will appear. You'll be guided through the process of connecting your Slack account to SurveyMonkey. It may ask you to log in to your Slack account if you haven't done so already, so ensure you have your Slack credentials ready. This will typically involve granting permissions for SurveyMonkey to send messages to your Slack. Once you have successfully connected your Slack account, you should be redirected back to the Integrations page. Here, you'll see your newly created Slack connection listed among other integrations. This confirms that you've successfully added the integration. Now that everything is set up, you can customize the settings further if needed. Generally, SurveyMonkey will send notifications about survey responses or activities right to your designated Slack channel. This means you'll be able to keep track of your survey results without having to switch between applications constantly. To make sure everything is functioning as it should, I recommend running a test survey. Make sure that when someone completes the survey, a notification pops up in your Slack channel. This is an important step to ensure that the connection works reliably and that you are receiving the information you need in real time. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated SurveyMonkey with Slack, which can make managing your surveys so much easier. If you have any questions or if something didn't work as expected, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and like the video if you found it useful.